I'm going to show you how you can hack it. You know what I mean? I'm going to show you how you can use all this pro version for free on CapCut. Stick to this end of this video and I will show you how you can achieve that. Hi guys, recently CapCut have launched pro version. So most of the version we are using for free to edit our video. Now you cannot use all this pro version without CapCut asking you to pay for the product. But on this video, I'm going to show you how you can hack it, how you can actually use all this pro version, and at the end of the day, you are still going to pay nothing. Stick to the end of this video so you can see how you can achieve this on your CapCut. Let's dive into it.
First thing, you need to open your CapCut, click on New Project, and click on the project you want to use and add it to your timeline. Let's confirm that this is a free version. By exporting this video, you will see it's going to export immediately. That shows we are still using a free version of CapCut. Now let's go back to our timeline and try and add a pro feature to this video. Let's click on text and click on elements that you want to add to your video. This is a pro version we are adding. I'm adding this and I'm adding like 3 elements that are pro version. So I want to show you how you can hack it by adding this, and at the end of the day you'll still be able to have a pro version in your video that you wanted to post to all your social media. Now you click on check and let's expand this element to the end of this video. I'm using a short video because this is a tutorial, so I don't need to use a long video. So extend your element to the end of the video, and I want to show you some element that we usually use for free before, which is remove BG. You will see that if you click on remove BG auto remover, you will see that it's a pro version. Now you can use this hack for you to be able to use your background remover for free. Now that you have had all your elements, now let's confirm if we can export this video without giving us pro version. Click on export video and you will see CapCut is going to bring out you are using a pro feature. Upgrade to pro extra pick, extract and export your video for free. You will discover that you cannot use this feature and be able to export your video for free. So I'm going to teach you how you can export your video for free. Stay along. What you're going to do now is you're going to click on this box. It's going to put your video to full screen, and you are going to swipe down and click on screen record on your phone. This is going to record all your screen, and you are going to play the video from the beginning to the end of the video. Let's skip this. At the end of the video, you're going to stop the screen record. Hi guys, if you are still watching my video, kindly subscribe, likes, share and comment below, and I'm going to reply your comment. Let's continue with the video. And you are going to go back to your CapCut to import this new video to your CapCut. You will discover that this pro version is on the project. There is no way you can export it, so you need to go back to your project and click on new project. You will choose the screen record you just did, import it to your timeline. I've already cut the beginning from this video, so you need to first of all trim out the beginning of the screen recorder. Next, you're going to do, you're going to click on aspect ratio and click on 16:9. This will give you the new ratio of YouTube video. And then next you're going to do, you're going to click on transform, rotate, and you're going to rotate the video to where you want it to be. You now use your 2 finger to expand the video. You can see that there is a play edge on the video, so you need to use your 2 finger to expand the video, and you will move it to the middle. Make sure your picture is in the middle. You will readjust it to make sure it's in the middle. Then voila, you can see that the export is not showing pro version again. You can click on export your video now, and your video will be export to your picture gallery. Now let's click on export and see the final version of the video.
Hi guys, recently CapCut have launched pro version to most of their free version that we are using to edit our video on CapCut. Now you cannot use this free version without paying to CapCut. Now you can see how to use all this pro version for free. What are you waiting for? Start editing your video and post it to all your social media platforms. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and comment below if this video is giving you value. My name is Abiodun and I'm going to see you on the next video. Signing out.